girls weekend trip, and we are in Gulfport, Florida, which is next to St. Pete Beach, and it's yucky out, raining. So we are just doing a little bit of what I call tchotchke shopping, and it's a very nice little artsy district. So if you're ever in St. Pete Beach or St. Petersburg, this is definitely a spot you want to come to. So this is a hot pepper store. At the Sirata on St. Pete Beach, and it is not a warm sunny day, so everyone is in the hot tub. So if I get a chance, I will show you around this resort. It's literally right on the beach, and they do have a fire pit, which we sat around last night. Okay, so here is a tour of our room. We did not have the maid come in, so it's a little messy, but we have a king suite. So when you come inside the door, to the left is your TV. They have pulled all the carpets out and redid it with these nice tile looking wood floor. It looks like wood, but it's really tile. Got your king size bed, 2 end tables, all with USB ports. You can see right here. That's really nice for someone like me who always forgets the plug-in kind. I've got a little closet with a full-length mirror, so I've been looking at myself on this mirror. And then we have the vanity with a sink and a great light to do your makeup, wash your, dry your hair. And the bathroom's on the other side. The only thing that kind of like makes me really not want to take a shower is that. So that's the only thing about this hotel's a little older, and they do charge $40, a $40 resort fee, which I think is a little extreme, but they do give you quote unquote free coupons. So just keep that in mind if you book this hotel. It is a $40 a day resort fee. This is a pull-out couch my friend is sleeping on. They give you a little coffee table, another little table to sit at, to have some snacks or breakfast at. There's another TV, little chair. You do get a nice sized refrigerator, microwave. They give you some dishes. There's a toaster. They give us some cups, some mugs, some bowls, some plates. So if you do want to buy breakfast and have it in the room, you could do that. A little sink, and underneath there's, you know, some silverware. So it's like a little mini kitchen. There's no oven or anything, but definitely for, you know, cereal, toast, that kind of thing, tuna sandwiches. And then our room does have a balcony. We do not face the ocean on this room, and it's a sliding glass door. We have a view of the front of the building, which is the parking lot, and if you look though, that is the Intercoastal. So we do have a water view. It's just not the ocean, it's the Intercoastal. Still nice to sit out here at night or during the day and just kind of chill. It's cool here. It's like 62 degrees, which is cool for Florida. So I'm full on in jeans. And about to go back down to the pool. They do give you 2 chairs. There's another chair. And there's a little table. So yeah, that's your little room view. Your little tour of the Sirata Beach. King suite room, or 1 bedroom. I think they're calling it a 1 bedroom suite. Now I'm gonna go back downstairs and meet my girls. Outside just to hang out. All the Adirondack chairs. There's a wedding going on in there this weekend. You can see it's desolate out here. Nobody's here. A couple of people on the beach. And at night, they light this up and everyone sits around the fire. They don't have it started just yet. And I'm gonna go see about the waves on the beach because it's a pretty hotel. That's what the hotel looks like from the beach. And you can see all, that's the trade winds down there. That's where I was over the summer.
flying back home from my beach weekend. And guess what? I'll show you.
You see that through the trees? Yeah, it's sunny. Of course it's sunny on a Monday.
Despite the nasty weather that we had at the beach, we still had a really good time. And hope you enjoyed the video. I will be doing more traveling next week. So thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.